I want to tell you about a very special and a little spooky time in Mexico. So, picture this. It's the end of October, and something incredible is happening all across the country. People are getting ready for a special celebration that lasts 2 entire days. It's all about welcoming back the spirits of people they love who've died. It's called Dia de los Muertos, the Day of the Dead, and it's nothing like the spooky Halloween stuff you might be thinking of. This happens on the 1st and 2nd of November, and here's the beautiful part. Families believe that on these special days, the spirits of their loved ones can come back for a visit. So what do? They create these gorgeous special tables called Ofrendas in their homes. They cover them with bright orange marigold flowers because the colour and smell help guide the spirits home. They add photographs of people they miss, candles that flicker and glow, and, this is my favourite bit, all the favourite foods and drinks of the person who died. Imagine that! Your great-grandmother loved chocolate. There's chocolate on the ofrenda. Your uncle couldn't resist tamales. They're there too, still warm and delicious. They even leave out glasses of water because travelling from the spirit world is thirsty work. But wait, there's more. Families bake special bread called pan de muerto, bread of the dead. It's sweet and soft, with bone-shaped pieces on top. Not scary bones, though. Playful ones. Because this whole celebration is about joy, not sadness. And the skulls. The sugar skulls are everywhere, painted in the most brilliant colours you can imagine. Pink, turquoise, yellow, green, covered in swirls and flowers and glittery bits. They're like edible art. People even paint their faces to look like beautiful, colourful skeletons and have huge parties in cemeteries. Yes, actual graveyards become like outdoor picnics with music and dancing. Now, want to know what else happens in early November in Mexico? The monarch butterflies arrive. Millions and millions of them, flying all the way from Canada and the United States. They travel thousands of kilometres to spend the winter in the mountains of Mexico. And here's where it gets even more beautiful. Many Mexican families believe these butterflies carry the spirits of their ancestors too. So when you see forests completely covered in orange and black butterflies in November, like the trees are wearing butterfly coats, some people whisper that these might be visits from people they loved. The butterflies cluster together on the fir trees in the cool mountain forests, so many that branches actually bend under their weight. When the sun comes out, they all take flight at once, and the whole sky turns orange. Imagine that, millions of delicate wings, all fluttering together, making this soft rustling sound, like whispers in the wind. So this time of year in Mexico isn't about sadness or things ending. It's about remembering, about colour and light and sugar and flowers, about butterflies carrying messages, about families gathering to tell stories and laugh and eat together. It's about celebrating that the people we love never truly leave us. They live on in our memories, our traditions, and maybe, just maybe, in the flutter of orange wings against a bright blue sky. Pretty magical.